Baka boy. Who was? Oh, you're reporting Lexi again. Lexi, what did you do to Baka boy? What did you do to the boy in the night? Dexter? Dexter, was she naughty? Is she dookie? Up here. Up. Was she naughty? What did she do? Talk to me. What did she do? Really? She was complaining all night? She didn't do her chores? Oh. She didn't do her chores. Lexi. Lexi, can you hear Dexter's complaint? Lexi. She didn't do her work. Lexi, oh, get up here. Get up here, Lexi. Why did you not do your work? You're supposed to guard the left side of the house. Why did you not do that? Why did you not do that? And you told her to, still she refused? You did? Oh, that's why you're the boss. You are not gonna take it next time? Oh yeah, come. Come here, boy. Come and tell me the rest of the story. And you told her where to go, she refused. Lexi, are you hearing what Dexter is saying? Are you hearing Dexter's complaint? Will you do that next time? Dexter, should we forgive her? What do you think? Should we forgive her? No? Lexi, stop that. Dexter is really annoyed. He's annoyed. You're annoyed? Okay, don't worry. You see, the funny thing is Lexi is not even concerned. Upon all your complaints, she's not concerned. Lexi, you need to change her. You need to change. You need to change and become a good doggy. Do what you're supposed to do. Okay? Alright, Dexter, let's forgive her for today. Okay? Should we forgive her for today? You think so? Alright, we'll forgive her. Alright, let's go.